5 Best Cordless Drills. Number 5. Rockwell RK2852K2. LED work light for illuminates dark areas. Allows access in closed spaces. Compact and lightweight design reduces fatigue. The brushless motors reduce friction. That steal vital power from the tool. Batteries for life replacement guarantee. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Hitachi WH10DFL2. Powered by lithium-ion battery technology. 2-year lithium-ion battery warranty. Lighter weight than traditional NiCad batteries. Impressively lightweight at only 2.2 pounds. Tightens and loosens small screws. Heavy applications like tightening carriage bolts. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. DEWALT DCD790D2. The product is 20D drill. Item weight, 8.4 pounds. The product is manufactured in United States. Battery cell type, lithium-ion. Voltage 20 volts. Batteries, 2 lithium-ion batteries required. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Bosch DDS182-02. Cell protection help prevent overheating. Up to 2x the motor life. Superior efficiency for longer runtime. Tested to withstand multiple 10 feet drops. Easy control in tight spaces. Overloading for extended tool life and runtime. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Makita XDT111. Compact and ergonomic design. Increased job site durability. A wide range of fastening applications. Battery for reduced operator fatigue. Operation in harsh job site conditions. Speed in a compact size for a full range. Please check the description for detail and price.